Have you ever recorded a video that looked perfectly fine at first, but later refused to play? Maybe it freezes, shows a black screen, or simply says the file is corrupted. It can happen after recording, transferring files, or even because of an unexpected crash. And if that video contains something important, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially if the footage is important or irreplaceable. In today's video, I'm going to show you a professional solution called Stellar Repair for Video, which is designed to repair corrupted or unplayable video files. It supports a wide range of popular video formats, including MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, and several others. Whether the corruption happened because of an interrupted recording, an unexpected system crash, a damaged storage device, or a file transfer issue, the software is built to recover videos in those situations. It also supports high-resolution videos, including 4K, 8K, 360 degree, and VR footage, making it useful for both casual users and professional content creators. Stellar also offers a new online video repair service, which is perfect if you just need a quick fix without installing any software. Since it runs entirely in your browser, you can upload your corrupted video and repair it online in just a few steps. For users who regularly work with large files or need advanced features like batch processing and unlimited file repairs, the desktop version is the better choice, and the Stellar Repair for Video is available for both Windows and macOS versions. Right now, I'm currently on Windows. You can get the tool from here for free. You can also take a look at the requirements. It works on 64-bit Intel-compatible PCs with at least 4 GB of memory and supports Windows 11 and older versions. The installation process is pretty much straightforward. Here, choose your setup language and click Next, and complete the setup process as usual. All right, now let's launch the software. And there we go. We are on the interface. It's clean and simple. There are no extra or additional options. You can simply add your corrupted videos and repair them using this tool. Now, let's add the videos. Go to your videos folder. All right, so here you can see I have some video files. Some of these videos are actually fine if I right-click on one of them. The video playback is normal. And here I have some other videos. Let me show you this one. And right. You can see I'm getting an error here saying the video can't be played because the video file is corrupted. And also, this one of the same problem here. It shows an unsupported format error. So what I'll do now is add these videos to the tool. Here you can see the file path and video size. Select all the videos, or you can repair them individually. These are normal MP4 videos that got corrupted, but you can also add video files in other supported formats. Once you've selected the files, click on Repair. The process will start. If some videos have only minor playback errors, the tool can repair them instantly. Otherwise, it will require the Advanced Repair option. All right, the process is completed. You can see the status here says awaiting action, which means the video still needs to be repaired. So we need to perform the Advanced Repair. Now click Advanced Repair. This option is used to repair severely damaged video files. Here, we need to add a sample video of the same format recorded using the same device. This will help repair the video. Click Next. Add the sample video file. And if you want, you can apply it to all files of the same format. Now click Repair. The Advanced Repair process will start. All right, it's done. Now let's preview the video. And there we go. Now the video is working perfectly fine. If you have any old corrupted footage, this tool will help you recover it easily. Let's also repair the other videos. And here is the result. The video looks completely fine. If you're happy with the videos, you can save the repaired files to your preferred storage location. Here, I'll choose a custom location, create a folder, and save the repaired files there. All right, well, playback issues usually occur because of errors in the video's code. Each video uses different codec formats, so let me show you an actual example. Let's say I have this regular MP4 video, which works completely fine. What I'll do now is simply edit the video's code. I'll remove some parts of the data in this video file. Now I'll save it. And if I try to play the video again, and you'll see that we get a video corrupt error. Now I'll add this video to the tool and click Repair. Alright, the process is done. Now let's perform the advanced repair. Choose the sample file of the same format. And that's it! Now let's preview it. You can see the video got fixed, but there is still a bit of lag, but at least it gets the job done. And the result is much better, to be honest. In the same way, you can also check out their online version, Stellar Online Video Repair. You can find the link in the description below. You can repair corrupted or unplayable video files from here in just 3 steps. Simply click Repair Video. You can sign into your account and upload a video of up to 5 GB. Upload your video file. And following the same method, you'll need to upload a sample video recorded using the same camera or phone. Now click Start Repair. That's it. It will take a couple of minutes to repair your video online. And there we go. It's done. The video got fixed. And you can preview it right here. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Overall, I found this tool to be simple and easy to use. It supports all the major video formats, works with both the desktop and online versions, and does a great job of repairing corrupted or unplayable video files. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.